I know this is a big ass, but can I test one out?
Yeah.
Or test yours out, or?
I don't care.
Alright.
So, they're basically just like a 4-speed manual transmission.
Yeah.
That's you I was just talking to, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So anyway, there's no engine vibration at all, right? So whenever you go into gear, you just gotta like rock it just a little bit.
Just a little.
In first. Other than that, it's basically got a recluse built in. You won't need the clutch. I would recommend using it between shifting. But yeah, you're good. Right now it's in high.
In high. Oh, okay. It has a high and
So
low.
there's low and high right here. But yeah, it's all the way down to neutral, and then just shift up. So just rock it a little bit when you shift into first gear.
There it goes. Now it's in 1 right there?
Yep.
Okay. Alright. A little bit touchy.
Yeah, there's a little touchy.
Thanks, man. You can ride my bike if you want. Alright. Alright, this thing's fun. It's very easy to ride. It's very light. Dang, I was in 3rd gear there. This thing is cool. I like this thing a lot. This thing's a lot of fun, dude. I really like it. Let's do a little speed test here. Alright, we're in 1st. Pull a whole shot. Oh yeah, it's got enough power. It's just like my 125, I feel like. I feel really planted on this thing. right. I like it, dude. Yeah, this is definitely going on YouTube. It has like engine braking, which I like that. Maybe I'd like that on a 4-stroke too. I don't know. Very good slow too. Now it's in gear 0. Alright. Erupt.
That key in the center, just turn that key off. You're okay.
Alright. I like this thing.
Now you gotta get out.
I like it a lot, actually. It's more fun than I expected. Okay, honest review. I really like the feel of it in corners and hitting whoops and jumps. It feels really light and snappy.
Like a 2-stroke.
In the air, yeah.
Yep.
And it has the engine braking.
Right.
I can feel that, which I
Now,
like
there's
that.
a regen feature on there too.
Oh,
so that's
okay.
You're kind of charging the battery with the resistance there.
Yeah. See, that bike, they don't have much engine braking. It's a 2-stroke.
Sure.
But I like that. The rear brake's good. The front brake is a little bit too squishy. I mean, it depends on the person riding, but a little bit too squishy for me. And the shifting part, it's a little bit
Weird to get used to.
Yeah, it'd take me some time to get used to. But once you got used to it, it wouldn't be that big of a deal.
Yeah, because I don't even notice it anymore.
And when I'm going into a corner, I can leave it in third, going like maybe 10 mile an hour,
Right.
and it'll pull right out of it and just spin the tire here in the sand.
So what I have is the other people that have bought these, what they'll do is they'll get familiar with the gear that they like. So they'll put them in 4th gear. You don't have to have a clutch, right?
Yeah.
So they'll put it in 4th gear and they'll take off from 4th from a dead
So they'll just
stop.
leave it the whole time,
No clutch,
almost.
they don't mess with it. They just like
Okay.
it. They'll go to 3rd, you know, whatever they're comfortable with. So that's one of the good features. This is actually my older model. So that one's got an older hall sensor and stuff on it. The new ones, we've got new throttles, new controllers, new hall sensors. So everything's been upgraded. This is just like my original version here. But yeah, I mean, we just kind of keep playing with it and changing it as it goes. So
I like it a lot. It
Anything?
feels really good, like going in the corners.
Sure.
Like I feel I can lay it over a lot more than my bike.
Well,
It might be a little bit lower.
And my tires are kind of bald too, so with a new set of tires on there,
Yeah.
it goes on. These are only 60,
Yeah.
but the new 70 amp battery will probably get you the full 2 hours, no problem.
All right.
So I do have 2 people that are racing the Harris Scramble Championships now on these.
Uh-huh.
And the one lady, she's done fairly well. Her name's Allison. And then the other guy that's going to be racing for us, his name's going to be Dallas. So
Dallas.
Yeah, we'll kind of get you guys filled in on that.
All right.
I did the Bixby one myself.
Oh, okay.
On a different model, but yeah.
Last year?
Yep.
I raced there last year. I may have saw you now that I think about it.
Probably. I had that white and orange one out there last year.
I think so. Yeah. I ended up crashing really bad and I broke my throttle housing and everything else, but it was the first race on the brand new bike. I was like, yeah, let's go. Then I about totaled it. But
Oh, and I showed up out there. I didn't do any practice laps or nothing.
Yeah.
I just jumped in line and took off with everybody. So it was kind of a fun experience to get out there and play. I haven't raced in over 10 years, so you know,
Yeah.
I'm just trying to get back into playing around, having a good time.
I would highly recommend checking them out. They are here in Missouri, but he said he can ship them too. They're up at Surdike, I think that's what he said, around Fenton, Missouri. In dealerships, if you want to check them out, Power Sports dealerships. I'd recommend it. The shifting was weird to me because we had a misunderstanding. You don't have to, but you can use the clutch when you shift, and that'll help shifting. But I felt really good on that bike. It was a lot of fun. For an electric bike, it was really fun. Good old sound of a 2-stroke though.